Hello YouTube, this is Marauders here, and let's do a room tour. So here's a overall view of the room. So if you've been watching my videos, the Nerf videos and everything, you should have already seen the layout of this room. That's where I usually work when I do my actual day job. And whenever you hear me say either Winter or Winter is playing on the other side of the stream, is actually here on this computer. And of course the magic mostly occurs in this corner here, which is where all the important bits are. And here we have the main PC that's doing all the streaming and capturing, and also where I edit the videos on. So it's a Core i7. It's a Core i7. It has 16 gigs of RAM, and it's running on a GeForce 1080. And of course, there's a Elgato HD 60 Pro inside here. So originally I was using an AverMedia Live Gamer Extreme. It works pretty well. But there was some inconveniences when I had to do some connection with the cable connections. So I decided to get a internal capture card instead and just keep the HDMI cables connected all the time. Then this is my TV. It's just a Samsung 4K TV. I was looking for the smallest 4K TV that could fit inside the alcove, and if you look up here, there's pretty much not much of a gap that's available here. So I kind of lucked out. I got really lucky that I managed to get the TV that's as this size, because any bigger it wouldn't have fit what I wanted on it. Here is the webcam that I use for streaming. So it's a Logitech Brio instead of the usual the other Logitech camera. Now the main difference between this is that this is able to do 1080p at 60 frames per second capture, which is quite good and useful because of how much I need to crop the video, and I want to keep it in sync with the video game feed. And here we have my PS4 with a custom HD cover, where the switch is. Down here is where the Xbox One lays, my Joy-Cons, and yeah, nothing much here. This is a soundbar, Leviathan soundbar, which I don't actually use much because it gets way too noisy and mommy doesn't really like that. Oh well. And of course, let's take a look at the home position for streaming. So here I have a Razer Siren mic. Beautiful piece of equipment, very useful. And here sits my Surface Go. And this is how I monitor when we're doing streaming. This is what I use to monitor the chat and everything. So that's why when you're seeing me when I play and I look down, I am basically looking at the stream here. Okay. So basically that's it. That's the little room tour. Okay. Hope you all like what I just showed you, and it's just a little look behind the curtain. Okay, so see you on the next video or stream.